What is going on, everyone? This is gonna be a follow-up video from the go-kart build. So basically what happened was the rear wheels, they broke off, and we welded them back together from this part here, and the rim, it broke, and we re-welded it, but it didn't really hold well. So in this video I'm gonna be changing the wheels to golf cart tires. As you can see, when I was riding the go-kart on the street, the wheel fell off, and this is what happened. This part is not strong enough to hold it, so I'm gonna be taking this off. And I actually bought some axle hubs, I believe they're called, of Go Power Sports. Here you can see I bought some. Let me see here. Okay, so I bought some of these, which are nice and heavy duty and are specially made for the golf cart tires that my brother actually gave me the golf cart tires, and then I ended up buying these off Go Power Sports. So got two of them for the rear wheels, and then got the nuts here. So yeah, let me bring in the golf cart wheels, and I'll show you guys in a bit. So the hubs actually fit really well on this tire, so they just slide right in. If I can put them right, let's see. Check it. Last time I did check them, did fit. There you go. They fit really well, and it should be nice and good for the go-kart. Alright, so basically what me and my brother are gonna do, he's gonna be helping me today. We're just gonna, well, when I installed the rear wheels, I actually welded strips of lines to fill in the gap from the previous wheels, because the axle was too small. So what I'm gonna be doing today is taking this off and then grinding down the welds and a little bit of the axle, so then the new axle hubs that I bought fit in perfect, so then I can mount on the golf cart wheels. They're not in the best shape, but they're definitely good enough to be used. You know, this is not a street vehicle, so they won't be worn down that quick. And I mean, they were free, my brother gave to me, so I can't complain. So we're basically able to get rid of the parts here. It's a little warm, but this is it. It's all junk. And this is what I was talking to you guys about the welds. I did weld stripes or strips, I guess, for this thing, since it was bigger than the axle, and it was definitely really tight in there, so it was good. Welds, it goes all around on both sides here. And then yeah, so now this other time lapse, it's gonna be me and my brother grinding down the welds. But what we're gonna do to try and make it the most even is turn on the go-kart and just give it a little gas consistently so it spins at a decent slow speed, so we're able to grind everything equally. So the new things that I bought, the new axle hubs, sit nice and equal all around and they're not crooked. So yeah, that's basically what we're gonna do, and I'll get back to you guys after the time lapse. So the plan was to grind down everything from the axle, but it was a lot of grinding. So what ended up happening was we took these to my brother's job, and I'm pretty sure it's called the lathe. They used the lathe to open this more to 1 and 3/16. So both of these are more. That's the diameter, 1 and 3/16. So we still need to grind a little bit more on the go-kart, just like a 16, barely anything, to be able to fit it. And then we're gonna do the same thing to this one, get rid of the welds and grind it a bit. And that's about it for the golf cart tire mounts. So after grinding everything down, we realized that the golf cart wheels were too wide and they were gonna hit on the engine. So what's gonna happen is we're just gonna weld them here, which is not all the way in, you can't see, but it's about 2 inches left more until the axle reaches the edge here. So we're gonna cut this here so the golf cart doesn't hit, and just weld the axle hubs I guess like a little bit more than halfway in, and the same is on the other side, and that's about it. That's what we're gonna do for the rear wheels. Alright, so basically what we did, we just welded the axle hubs there all around, and then we did the same thing to the other side, and that's about it. That's how the wheels are being held. Oh, we actually had to cut the kickstart. We never used them. We didn't have the lever either way, so we got a little bit more clearance. It's maybe like a quarter. It's not too bad, it should be enough. So this is how it looks. Oh, here, let me drop it to the ground. So this is how it looks. Big wheels in the back, small in the front. But it should be good now. So yeah.